Welcome back to the WP Tuts Plus WordPress tutorial series. If you're building a website for a company, school, or other organization, then it's likely you'll have more than one user who will need access to the WordPress administration area. You might also want to invite other authors to contribute to your blog. In order to do so, each person must have his or her own user account. The Users panel is where you'll set up new user accounts, edit user information, or delete users. You can bulk delete or even change roles of multiple users at once. It's important to understand the different permissions afforded to each of these roles. So very briefly, an administrator has access to all the administrative functions. An editor can create and publish posts and pages, as well as manage other users' posts. An author can create and publish his or her own posts. A contributor can write and manage their own posts, but not publish them. They can only submit a post for review. And lastly, a subscriber can only manage their profile and read content. Stephanie is a new user who will be writing some articles for us, so I've given her account contributor permissions. When Stephanie logs in, she'll see a more limited set of functions. And while she can author and compose new articles or posts, she won't be able to publish them directly. Instead, new posts that she creates are submitted for review and must be approved by an editor or administrator before being published. When I'm logged in under my own administrator account, I can see that Stephanie has written a new article titled Desert Scenery, and its status shows that it's pending review. Also, at the top of the post panel, we can see the number of posts that are currently pending review. Let's preview Stephanie's article. It appears that Stephanie's done a great job with this article and has included lots of links to related content. So this looks good to me. I can either click the edit link at the top of the post or the edit post link in the admin bar to open Stephanie's post in the editor. If needed, I can make additional edits here, and when I'm happy with the article, I'll click the Publish button. And now Stephanie's new article will appear on our site. To edit a user's information, we'll click the Users tab once again and click on one of the users. In the Edit Users subpanel, we have the ability to disable the WYSIWYG or visual editor for this user, which would limit them to using only the HTML or code editor. We can change the color scheme of the admin area, enable keyboard shortcuts for moderating large numbers of comments, and hide or show the admin bar to this user when they're viewing the site, logged into the dashboard, or both. You can also edit the user's name, contact information, bio, and password. Of course, at any time, you can also edit your own profile by clicking Your Profile under the Users menu or by clicking your username at the top of the page. In the next video, we'll explore some of the tools that are available to help you manage, import, or export content for your WordPress website.